Seek no further than Xair, a trailblazer in the realm of air detection equipment, boasting a decade of unmatched expertise. As a leading manufacturer, we've dedicated ourselves to engineering high-quality, high-performance testing instruments designed to meet the stringent demands of our discerning clientele. At Xair, our mission is clear: to be at the forefront of innovation in detection devices and test equipment. From our state-of-the-art facilities, corporations underscore our ability to deliver customized solutions that are finely tuned to individual requirements. We pride ourselves on offering low-volume OEM customization, ensuring that no project is too small to receive our full attention and expertise. When you choose Xair, you gain access to a team that understands the nuances of air detection and the critical role it plays in your operations. Whether you need equipment for industrial monitoring, environmental compliance, or research applications, our versatile range of products and services is here to support you.